Enjoy this video, dear viewer, dear visitor. The 2025 Plymouth Duster is back with a vengeance as a muscle car revived with contemporary styling. The one designated front end lures you with a visually neat grille that can be recognized as a reminiscence of the classic 1970s model, an inspiration without a doubt. The carefully designed LED headlamp is circular, bringing back that old-school charm while displaying a look and feel of the modern age. Underneath, finely sculpted vents and a daring bumper help create a wider stance while echoing the car's potent heart and telling everyone that this is a roadster that's been reimagined, not merely retouched. The side profile is versatile as you move in this shape. The body of the Duster represents the true American muscle car. The bulky hood and short and muscular rear deck make the car easily recognizable, and the fine lines again add a touch of style. Wide fenders and side sills further accentuate the width of the vehicle, giving Dyna a muscular performance look. That familiar shape on the C-pillar is not just a logo, it's a connection, which makes the legacy of the Duster come alive in a whole new exciting way. At the back end, the new 2025 Duster gives an appearance that is both classic and cutting-edge dynamic. They've got dual exhausts, and it looks slightly muscly, what with the full-width LED taillights that stretch across the width of the car, giving it a pretty modern twist. The rear spoiler is designed for aesthetics, but is also functional in increasing downforce and thereby increasing its stability. The Duster is as comfortable on the tarmac as it is slick. Together with the rear combination lamps that extend to the tips of the exhaust system, each line of the Duster pays respect to the values of power and style. However, beneath the robust-looking skin of the Duster, you have two potent engine choices to suit different individuals. The muscle car is a modern innovation, and the traditionalist will love a V8 engine, producing more than 500 horsepower with acceleration and sound to match. For those more environmentally conscious customers, there is an electric powertrain that guarantees a torque of 320 pound-feet and an estimated range of 300 miles. Performance comes with being environmentally friendly. These choices make the Duster versatile and ready to appeal to the traditional muscle car buyer and the fuel-efficient car buyer. On the inside, the 2025 Duster is a brilliant amalgamation of design that harks back to the history of Renault, while coming with all the trappings of the future. Sports seats that are reminiscent of those that were fashionable decades ago, but which are made of the best materials, provide comfort and individual style. The sophisticated interior is an attractive dashboard that accommodates, on the whole, a fully digital cluster and a large touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The circular vents, along with timelessly elegant toggle switches, give a retro look to the car, and the interior feels like being inside a classic muscle car to drive it. But the features are fully modern. Each model of the Plymouth Duster muscle car will be produced at a considerably affordable price, with the starting point estimated to be around $45,000. Further trim levels may extend beyond $60,000. Thus providing car users an opportunity to build a customized Duster to his or her preference, regardless of the traditional or chic look he or she desires. Thanks to this pricing model, a new audience can be targeted, and legacy car enthusiasts, as well as those who appreciate a car redesign, can get their hands on the 2025 Duster. Subscribe to my channel and like my video for more content.